Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your washchef at vareva.com. Today we're going to make a preparation using puff rice. Puff rice is we use very widely in India, but you can get hold of in many countries. To make this, first we need to soak this puff rice in the water. Just it immerse in the water. Okay, but you should not soak this in this water for a long time because they'll get all mashy. Now we're going to drain the water out. This is good, but if you soak it for a little longer time, just press it with the hand and remove excess water. Ugani, this is a specialty in Andhra Pradesh, especially from the district of Rayalaseema. They make this upma kind of thing using puff rice, and it is traditionally eaten with mirchi bhaji. So let's go ahead and make this ugani. So for this, in a pan, add oil. These kind of preparations are not only made in Andhra Pradesh, but in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and in most of parts of the country. So for this, first we're going to add tempering, mustard seeds, cumin seeds. I added too much cumin seeds. That's okay. In this, add some urad dal and chop green chilies, ginger, and some onion. In this, add curry leaves. Add pinch of hing, pinch of turmeric. Some people like to add chili powder, but in this I am going to skip chili powder. Add salt, sliced tomatoes. If you want to add, you can add lot of tomatoes. Add puff rice which has been soaked in water and removed. I did not add peanuts in the starting because I've got some roasted peanuts. But if you're going to add peanuts, add it in the oil when you add the tempering. Now, lot of people add different kind of powders to this dish. Some people like to add peanut powder, some people like to add the fried chana dal powder. Whatever you like, you can add. In this, I'm going to add some powder of roasted chana dal. That should be good. See what this roasted chana dal, it coats on this puff rice and makes it very tasty. That should be enough. And I'm going to add some chopped coriander and finish it off by adding some lime juice. I'm going to switch off the flame and then I'm going to toss it. This is a very simple kind of upma using puff rice. You can make many variations. The dish is all ready. Some people like to add chili powder on top, but I somehow don't like it on this. And this ugani, very nice. But it's only complete for some people if they have mirchi bhaji on the side. You can find the recipe of mirchi bhaji on my website. You can make mirchi bhaji and this puff rice upma and enjoy both of them together. But do not forget, Vareva is all about inspiring others to cook. So please post your recipes and cooking tips so others can benefit from your great cooking. Thank you.